In today's video, I'm going to add two devices, one router and one switch. This lab, it will consisting of two router and three switches. For today, I'm just going to add one router and one switch. So let me show you how you mount switches or devices on rack. The first thing we have here, this is 24 phase funnel. So that's where the cable is going to come from. So it's going to go on the top. So as I said last time, this rack is like 12 unit, 12 U. So it's going to take, if we're going to fill it out, this is going to take like 12 unit. But it's going to take 5. Like I said, we're going to have 2 router and 3 switches. So let me show you how this works. So on this one, if you can see, this one we put in the back, so he can secure the screw. So we're going to put in the back. I was trying to use this one, but I don't have more of those, so I'm not going to use them. But that's the one also you can use to screw the screw. So the first one, we're going to add our rack. This is a patch funnel. It's 24 unit and it's a 1 U. Should be easy. So, welcome back. This one there. That's good. So I'm going to leave like 2 units. So when we get another switches, we're going to add them. So this is 1. So this is 11 and 10. So I'm going to start from 9. So we're going to add 1. So the 9, we leave 1 in the middle. So let's do it fast. So 1 there, and 9, it should be right here. So we're going to leave the gap. So when I got those devices on eBay, and yep. So we're going to add this switch. two long cables. So we're going to design and see how this is going to work, but this is where we should be connecting it. So yeah, so I'm just cabling, but that's not the way it should be. But this is how we're going to connect to the, because we're going to move it from here, so it'd be a different, it cannot be in that way. I got a cable management, and it's a little bad right now, but that's not how it's going to be. So yeah, and we have I have this power protection. It's going to be on the back, but it's like 8 port, and it has like 4 USB, so you'll be able to connect to, like, if you, so this, it has a USB power port, and that's the one. So when I got those devices, they sent me this constant cable. I used to have one before, so this one and one is, as you can see, USB, and the other end, it should go to the back of the switch, so I can be log in and configure and manage the so the the constant cable is how it's go. It's gonna go on the back of that, and the other end is going to go on in here, and that's how we're going to log in and configure these things. So if you have a suggestion, I'm still building the lab. It'd be a home lab, so I love